Westfield is most known for creating landmark destinations. That consists of shopping centers, as well as airport terminals and mixed-use properties. My name is Ken Ogami. I'm the SVP and CIO of Westfield North America. Westfield is continuing to try to create the best customer experience, again, for its guests as well as its retailers.
With the shift to hybrid work, Westfield recognized that their legacy MPLS network architecture would no longer be sufficient to secure and connect both their customers and retailers. They needed to modernize their approach to networking and network security.
Westfield adopted a new philosophy to have anytime, anywhere with anything, and we wanted to ensure that we allowed people of full-time status, contract status, consultant status to be able to access any resources they were needing access to and nothing more than that, as well as being able to work regardless of where they were.
Westfield set out to test many solutions' real-world performance, and Prisma SASE by Palo Alto Networks stood out among the rest.
It became abundantly clear fairly quickly that the Prisma solution and the Palo Alto solution was the most mature, as well as the most synergistic across the different aspects of what SASE is made up of. And it quickly became a no-brainer, both from a cost perspective, as well as a service offering perspective.
SASE provided Westfield the visibility they needed, regardless of user, location, or device. This gave them the confidence to re-architect their cloud security and to shift security left.
And we really shifted our mentality of not trying to be the biggest, but to be the fastest. That created a need to build out new digital infrastructure. And part of that was creating our DevSecOps model, our DevOps model, as well as our application development platforms. We needed Palo Alto to help us secure those channels.
Westfield trusts Palo Alto Networks' SASE platform across their business, including their digital directories, Wi-Fi captive portal, and beacon Bluetooth tracking, all managed by a unified console.
All the infrastructure that we built out was much more synergistic, having it all under Palo Alto. SD-WAN was a valuable transformation for us for two reasons. It decreased our operational spend by 60%, as well as improved performance. And the SASE reference architecture that they provided and the tooling allowed to have a single pane of glass, the ability to aggregate all the system data into a singular source, as well as give the flexibility of a single place to look at everything analytical.
Westfield undertook a digital transformation because it allowed them to move quickly in a hybrid work environment while maintaining the security it needed to keep their customers and retailers safe. Taking on this task was vital, but not without challenges.
Digital transformation is hard, but it takes the commitment from the business as well as the technology department to really become one unit as opposed to two separate silos. The business needs come first, and the ability to do digital transformations are going to come with a lot of security concerns and a lot of threat surfaces that are not something that they may be prepared for. And Palo Alto SASE gives you those safeguards and gives you a reference to protect you in those different aspects.